Hongkongské akcie klesly, zatímco japonský Nikkei vystřelil na rekord, uvedl analytik CGTN Timothy Pope.
Hong Kong stocks were trading lower, the Hang Seng off by about 1%. The market there has absorbed a lot of earnings this week from Chinese companies, particularly tech giants. Yesterday, Tencent reported some very strong revenue growth, up 15% for the last quarter, which pushed the stock to around a 4.5-year high. It was still gaining today, up about a third of 1%. JD.com's shares fell today, though, 3.4% down after its latest quarterly earnings missed estimates. Similar story for gaming giant NetEase, down as well. Revenue growth in the second quarter slowed there compared to the first 3 months of the year. Its shares were down 3.7%. Also reporting was Chinese car maker Geely. Its stocks skidded today, down almost 6% at one stage after flagging a 14% fall in net profit for the first half of 2025, and that was despite a 27% jump in revenue. Over in Japan, though, as you said, things were going the other way. The Nikkei 225 closed at a record high of 43,378 points. The broader topics index also closed at a record high, 3,107. Now, remember that the topics just crossed the 3,000 point level for the first time just a week ago. So it's continuing to blow through all these barriers. In Tokyo, it was some unexpectedly strong economic data pushing things along today. That showed the Japanese economy has weathered the US tariff surprisingly well so far, given how dependent it is on exports. The yen was also down overnight, and that was another boon for exporter stocks. There's also some broader expectations at the moment of a strengthening in Japanese interest rates, and that was really fundamental to boosting financial and banking stocks in particular today. The financial sector was critical to underpinning the gains we saw on the Nikkei on Friday. So we saw banking group Resona Holdings, one of the leaders, up about 6.5%. But that being said, most of the heavyweights traded higher as well, and there were broad gains across most sectors in Tokyo to finish off the week.